What's up, guys? It is 3:10 a.m. and it's a blizzard. We're on our way to morning milking. I'm glad I only live about a quarter mile from the barn. Back when I lived in Hampton, this would be a tough one to get into work. So let's go in. We're gonna attempt to go down to the heifer barn and push up feed, but oh, this looks treacherous. Oh, got the wife's car today. Not too bad. Nothing's been plowed yet, but I think we'll make it to the heifer barn. There's about maybe 8 inches so far. Spent the day yesterday preparing for the storm, getting everything under cover, blocking the calves in their hutches with bales of hay so they stay warm and the snow stays out. I think we're pretty well prepared for it. New barn's looking good. And let's see what the heifer barn holds. And we're in the heifer barn. Stashed my truck in here for the night, so there'd be less vehicles to snow blow around the driveway. But I gotta push up feed, and looks like everybody's cool in here. Nice and dry. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see that too good or not, but that's how we block up the hutches. Put 2 bales of hay in front of the door and pull the cages back so they stay there. You know, that's an empty hutch, obviously. But they stay pretty good in there for the storm. When the storm's over, we pull everything out, plow it out, and they're usually nice and dry. So that's how we do it here. Just made it into the new barn. Go check on the girls. Boop, boop. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. It is nasty outside, and it's absolutely beautiful in here. Cows don't even know there's a storm. So I got some feed to push up. Hopefully we got nobody stuck in the stalls this morning. If any of you follow me on Facebook, you know I had a terrible weekend. And there it is. There's one stuck in the stall. Oh my lord. Well, this is going to be a fun morning. Well, here's an update. The cow that was stuck in that stall, when we got everybody else out of the barn to go milk, she went a little nuts, jumped over this wall and came in with the milkers. So she looks alright. Skun up her leg a little bit, but we definitely need to fix that problem. This is getting old. So my intent this morning was to get a video of the cows playing in the snow for the first time, because we don't usually let them out in the winter. But that didn't happen. I'm sure there'll be another opportunity. So this is the alleyway that the cows go. You can see they got the snow all trampled down. Gonna have to sand it later, because we don't want them slip sliding out here. But it's pretty nasty today. So yeah, it's time to start milking. I think it's 4 o'clock, so it might be a little bit late, but we'll get her. We'll get her done. Cows are all up in the old barn waiting to be milked. Shame I didn't get it on video, but whatever. Look at that. It is nasty out today. Ice cream delivery trucks. Yeah. Not a day for ice cream. So cows are all in, ready to stop milking. Girls, I don't know. Alright, time to get to work. Check you later. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see him in the darkness, but we moved this guy inside.